So here we are unboxing the Magic Chef 4.5 cubic foot 2-door refrigerator. This is gonna go right up on my son's YouTube channel. So this, you're gonna cut the side open. All right. We're gonna pop it open. So I got this on HomeDepot.com. I paid about $200. All right, so first you're gonna get, actually we could just go ahead and kind of cut right now. You know, kind of spread it open. Because you don't want to tilt it, you want to keep it straight. So you know, you open it, it's got the little, you know, thingies. Alright. Yeah. Rip it open, it's like Christmas. It's like Christmas, so if you turn it, wow, this is what we're looking at. Hey, Rye, what do you think of your new Mini?
I like it.
Open it up.
Okay. I can't
Wow.
open the tape.
Only 49 bucks to run. Magic Chef. Let's open her up.
Yeah.
Sick.
Get that out.
Full-on freezer unit for ice cubes, whatever, ice cream, Sammy's, Twix bars. Hey, the little cannies. We're ready to go.
Yeah. Hey, go.
I think overall, great price, great refrigerator, great unit, very good quality. What do you think?
I like it.
You love it?
Yeah, I love it.
You ready to stock it up with drinks,
Yes, we are.
snacks?
Yeah, we are.
Awesome. Let's hit the store. High five. Bam. Thanks for watching. Say something, bro. Bye. How you? Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Thank you.